If you still struggle to draw your eyebrow in 2026, then this video is for you. To draw your brows easily, you need four main products, which is your brow tint or brow gel. Especially if your brows are ungroomed, you need this. This is going to put your brow hair in place. You also need a brow pencil. I'm using classic brow pencil. You need a brow gel, optional. A brow gel, I'm using Hegai and Esther. And then you need a concealer. These four things are all you need to draw your brows. Let's get right into the video. The first step is to use a spoolie to take out the brow thinner and apply it on your eyebrow. This is going to put your eyebrow hair in place, especially if your brows are ungroomed or uncarved. Allow the product to dry up a bit and then set it with a setting powder. The setting powder provides you with a dry base to draw your brows. It also absorbs any oil that is in your eyebrow area. For this next step, it is very good that you use a very sharp pencil and not a blunt pencil. A sharp pencil is going to be easy for you to use and is also going to give you your desired result instead of using a blunt pencil. Using the brow pencil to outline the perimeters of your eyebrow, just follow the natural shape of your brow and just trace it out using your pencil. That's why it is very important for your pencil to be sharp, so easy for you to trace out the perimeters of your natural brow hair. Using a brow gel is very optional because the same job that the brow gel will do for you is also the same that your eyebrow pencil will also do. Just that the brow gel is more long lasting and it will provide you with the hair-like stroke that you desire. After outlining your brow with your brow pencil, you go in with your brow gel to fill in the space in between, gently stroking it so it will give that illusion of your original or natural brow hair. For the front of the brow, it's important that you stroke upwards. To highlight or conceal your brow, you need a concealer that is 2 shades or 1 shade lighter than you, and also a flat angle brush for better precision. The same way you outline your brows with your pencil is also the same way you are going to highlight or conceal your brows. Just hold your brush in a position that is very comfortable for you and gently apply the product. You go over the line gently and then brush out the excess. Divide your brows into 3 sections. So once you highlight one area, you take more concealer and then highlight the other area. This way you get to ensure that your concealer gets to every part of your eyebrow. You are not dragging product that's used from one side to another side of your eyebrow. Just like you did for the first eyebrow, repeat the same process for the second eyebrow. To highlight the top of your brows, you can either use your concealer or you use your foundation to highlight the top of your brows. Whichever one you're comfortable with, that is fine. Now, holding your brush is very important. Just find a position that is very comfortable for you to hold your brush. The way you hold your brush will determine how the top of your brow is going to look. Personally, this is how I find it comfortable to hold my brush when I'm highlighting the top of my eyebrow. You can either use a blending brush or you can use a beauty blender to blend in all of the products into your skin.
Once you are done, check to be sure that your brows look similar, that is, one is no longer than one. Please note that your brows are sisters, they are not twins, so they do not have to look the same. Even our natural brows are not the same. This is the finished look. If you have any question, please drop them down and subscribe for more videos like this.